Good morning or afternoon, boys and girls. It's so nice of you to stay with me this whole week and watch my videos and try your best to do the work. I really appreciate that. You did a great job with your attendance on Thursday, and I hope that you can try that again. I do need to make sure that you're all here, and I send attendance into school. So by about 9 o'clock, actually, I'm hoping we can all get online by 9 o'clock and do that assignment so I can do attendance for the school. So anyway, today, Friday, I look forward to seeing you at 8:15 with the whole class. You're going to share. We're going to be on for a while because everyone's going to get a chance to share their 5 things about them. And so I'm really looking forward to everyone getting that chance to do that, because although you might know each other, you might not have been to each other's houses. So it'll be really fun to see each other's things and what they're sharing. So anyway, I wanted to give you some guidance on what to do for today. So I'm going to take you over here to Team Codish. And again, I'm going to put this video right here so you'll see that. Go to classwork after you watch the video. Whoops. I have to share this little thing. It's so silly. Anyway, go to classwork, and then you will see attendance for Friday. Of course, that's first. And then go down, math. There's a new activity for math. So oops, Daisy, that's yesterday's or the day before's. Anyway, it's place value practice. So you click on that, of course. And so again, place value practice. So read the directions, and what you have to do is adjust, hopefully, the computer. Now, I know some of you had some trouble sliding, so some of you were getting a mouse, so it would be easier to slide the pictures or the objects, so that would work well. So click on an object, like, for example, if this says 534, you find the number over here that has the same value as the underlying digit. So this is in the tens place, so it means 30. So look at that. I take the 30 and I drag it over here, and then it's going to make a mystery picture for you. So if you do it correctly, you'll see a fun new picture there. So again, read the directions if you're not sure how to do that. And then as we go back to classwork, you will see math, so attendance, math, and you will see social studies in there. I teach Michigan history, and it's a passion of mine. I really love Michigan history and traveling our awesome state. What I want you to do is watch this video about Michigan. It just gives a quick overview of what Michigan is all about. Again, very quick overview. And then you click on this documents after you watch that video. And in this document, it says My Michigan Adventures. And what you do when it finally comes up is you answer a few questions. I hope this makes sense for you. So answer the questions. Again, you see here, the question is, did you travel? Whoops, a daisy. Computers. Did you travel in Michigan this summer? And then over here, you get to type. So I want to see your answers typed out. So if you said yes, then on question 2, where did you go? And if you said no, then where would you like to travel in Michigan? And you can get some ideas from that video. Why do you think, number 3, why do you think Michigan is a state many people love to live and visit? A lot of people come from other states to visit our awesome state. So why do you think that? And then what do you know about Michigan? Name one fact, one thing you know about Michigan already. And what would you like to know about Michigan? So give me some ideas of what you might want to learn about our awesome state. So again, there's attendance, math, and Michigan history. And that's a wrap for Friday. I hope you get some time to play outside or catch up on some assignments that you might not have gotten to this week. And have a wonderful, splendid, fabulous Friday. Take care, boys and girls. I'll see you at 8:15. Can't wait.